Yeah, getting a little bit dark now. And the skis are kind of a pain, but they're not unbearable. How's Zeke? No fish yet, but we still got our pole in the water. Got some grub going. In the lower right hand corner. Guess we'll stir that. Oh, you taking off in the boat, are you there, Gub? He's been really good. He's a great camp dog. Haven't had to tie him up once. Well, that's it. What's going on in my neck of the woods besides killing these damn mosquitoes? I got a crap load of ants too on this tree. Maybe they're calling it a night now. There was a shitload.